So hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to learn next model verbs. Yeah. So do you have in your mind that what we are going to learn in today's video? No? Yeah. Let me inform you that as we have learned today earlier in my earlier videos like should, can, could, may, might, must. Now it's term has to, have to. For present we use has to or have to. For past had to, and for future will have to. Today we are going to discuss on this topic and have a wonderful concept that you guys never forget. What I'm going to share with you, the concept, the core concept, you just have to in your mind that you will never forget. And while communicate it will come natural. Yeah, so let's get started today's video about the model verb has to, have to, had to, will have to. So for what purpose we use has to or have to, and the meaning as we in Hindi like can, सकता है, could, सकता था, and that kind of concept we have in our mind. And while communicating we just try to use that. When we used to have sakta tha, we have to use could, and when we sakta hai then can. Like this we also have this kind of concept in has to, have to, like करना पड़ता है, करना है, खाना है, ना है, नी है, that kind of concept in your sentence. If you are going to speak in Hindi, करना है, खाना है, पीना है, in last it will come ना है, नी है, ने है. Then you just have to use और पढ़ता है, पढ़ती है, पढ़ते हैं. Two concepts just keep in your mind. What? करना है, करनी है, पढ़ता है, पढ़ती है, पढ़ते हैं, या ना है, नी है. करना in last ना है, नी है, ने है. Just have this in your mind and you are going to explore this model verbs like has to or have to. Like as we told has to, have to for use. पढ़ता है, मुझे यह काम करना पड़ता है. I have to do this work. पढ़ता है, मुझे जाना पड़ता है. I have to go this there. I have to go there. पढ़ता है. ओके. मुझे एक्सरसाइज करना है. I have to करना है. I have to exercise. ओके. Are you getting guys? मुझे एक्सरसाइज करना है. पढ़ता है, मुझे जाना पड़ता है. I have to go. You just have to use like I have to go. And मुझे एक्सरसाइज करना है या करनी है, then I have to exercise. In both form we should use I have to, I have to. मुझे करना पड़ता है, मुझे करना है. Okay? And let me inform you one thing more, that when it will be a singular form like he, she, it, then you must have to use has to. Just have this concept in your mind. When it comes plural like I, you, they, then you just have to use have to. And when you have to use singular like he, she, it, then you just have to use has to. And both are the same meaning, both keep same meaning with them, like has to or have to. Both are having their same meaning, like करना है, करनी है, करने हैं, और पढ़ता है, पढ़ती है, पढ़ते हैं. ओके. और ना है, नी है, ने है, like that. So are you getting what I am telling? Just keep in your mind and try to make sentence by using this model verbs, that I have to do this, I have to do this. मुझे ये करना है, मुझे वो करना है, मुझे वो करना पड़ता है. And when and what is the purpose of using this model verb like has to, have to? Why we use? You just ask And when the you don't have an answer, let me confirm you that why we use. Then when there is any necessity, when there is any necessity like मुझे वहाँ जाना है या कुछ ज़रूरत है, आवश्यकता है, मुझे वो करना है, मुझे ये लेना है, ये आपकी नेसेसिटी है, और या ऑब्लिगेटरी, or obligatory like that, तो you have to go there, तुम्हें वहाँ जाना है. When it comes necessity, आवश्यकता और obligatory to दायित्व, then you must have to use. And while speaking, I don't think that you just have to think more time about necessity and obligatory. Most of the people don't think about that while speaking. Just have the concept what I keep doing, that when you have to use करना है, करनी है, पढ़ता है, पढ़ती है, just try to use, have this concept, repeat the sentence again and again, that when it comes to speak, you just your tongue will start speaking naturally, that kind of sentence, that I have to speak like मुझे करना है, करता पड़ता है, when it comes, it will come naturally, has to, have to, have. So just repeat, try to use, make sentence by using has to or have to. For singular has to, for plural have to. Okay, and make videos in front of camera like me, what I am doing right now. Just start creating video, making sentence, and try to speak a passage, not a passage, 10 to 15 sentence, what you have created, what you have written by using these words. Just try to speak in front of camera, or try to use any kind of chat GPT here available in free. You just try and keep exploring. Has to, have to. And there is one more, had to. Had to. Are you getting, guys? Had to. For past we use had to, HAD, had to. Like in present we use करना है, करती है, करना पड़ता है, या पढ़ता है, पढ़ती है, ना है, नी है, करना है, करनी है. In past, instead of है, we should use था. करना था, मुझे ये काम करना था. For necessity and obligatory in past, what we have to necessary to do in past, मुझे ये काम करना था, ये आवश्यकता था, necessity, मुझे यह काम करना था. एंड इन लास्ट इट इज कमिंग ना था, नी थी, करना था, करनी थी, और पढ़ता था, पढ़ती थी, पढ़ते थे. व्हेन इट विल कम दिस काइंड ऑफ सेंटेंस, व्हेन इट विल कम इन योर माइंड, and when you are thinking that you are going to make sentence by this kind of sentence, then just use had to, for past, had to. मुझे अपना न्यू जॉब ज्वाइन करना था. आई हैड टू, बट एंड आई हैव टू ज्वाइन विद इन दिस वीक. मुझे ज्वाइन करना है, आई हैव टू, एंड मुझे करना था, आई हैव टू, फॉर न्यू अपॉर्चुनिटीज. एंड आई जस्ट टुडे, for today these tools are enough. If I speak more and give more model verb, then you can't practice more, and it will become so loud in your mind. So just try to learn this one. And when you have to speak in negative, in present has to, have to, what you should do in place of has to, have to, you just have to use for singular does not, and for plural like have to, you just have to do not. मुझे वहाँ नहीं जाना है, I don't have to. For plural don't, do not, before have, do not, I don't have to go there. Okay. And for present does not, do not, for singular does not, for plural do not. And in past for had to, when you are going to make negative sentence, just keep in your mind, you always use did not. For negative, for past negative sentence in place of had to, you just had to use did not. I did not go there. मैं नहीं गया, मुझे नहीं जाना है. I did not go there. Okay? I did not have to. Not only did not, with did not, have to. When we use did with of did, we just use first form of verb. Okay? Always keep in your mind, when we use did not, with that we always use verb first form. So instead of in past, instead of had to, with we use have to. Yeah, have to or has to. When it will be singular or plural like this, you just have to use have to. I did not have to go there. I did not have to go there. मुझे वहाँ नहीं जाना है. When it comes ना, मुझे नहीं जाना है, मुझे नहीं करना पड़ता है, मुझे नहीं करना पड़ता है, मुझे नहीं जाना है, मुझे नहीं करना है, then you just have to. Did not have to go there. I did not. He does not go there. He does not has to go there. He did not for past. He does not for present, and for singular. I do not for plural, for present, and for the past had to. Had in place of had to, just used to. Did not have to, did not has to. And learn this, practice it. Go call to ChatGPT, whatever you are facing problem, it will give you an answer, and just try to use it. I have given you the core idea, the main things what was needed, the concept to start your speaking English. If you are the guys beginners, then start easily. After having this kind of concepts, go practice it and try to explore yourself. So see you in my next video. Till then, thank you. Bye bye.